Ever feel like your finances are on a roller coaster? You're cruising along, feeling good about your budget, then bam. Car repair, holiday shopping, or that surprise annual subscription renewal throws everything into a tailspin. You scramble to find the money, maybe dip into savings, and vow to do better next time. But what if next time never came? What if you could smooth out those financial bumps and approach every expense with confidence? Enter YNAB Rule 2, embrace your true expenses. Now, you might be thinking, YNAB? What's that? YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, and it's a budgeting system designed to help you take control of your money. But fear not, even if you're not a YNAB user, Rule 2 is a budgeting philosophy that can benefit anyone. The problem with traditional budgeting. Traditional budgeting often focuses on tracking your monthly expenses. You categorize your spending, see where your money goes, and maybe even set some goals. But here's the catch. Traditional budgeting doesn't account for those irregular, often forgotten expenses that can wreak havoc on your finances. Think about it. Car insurance, holidays, birthdays, home repairs, these expenses don't happen every month, but they still need to be paid for eventually. And when they hit, they can leave you feeling stressed and scrambling. Enter Rule 2, embrace your true expenses. YNAB Rule 2 flips the script on traditional budgeting. Instead of just tracking what you spend each month, it encourages you to anticipate and plan for those irregular expenses. Here's the core idea. Identify your true expenses. These are the expenses that happen throughout the year, even if they're not monthly bills. Think holidays, car maintenance, annual subscriptions, etc. Estimate how much you'll spend. Be realistic. Don't underestimate the cost of Christmas shopping or overestimate your car's reliability. Divide it up. Take that annual expense and break it down into a smaller, monthly amount. This is the amount you'll need to consistently save towards that expense. Let's see Rule 2 in action. Imagine Christmas shopping. You know you typically spend around $500 on gifts. Following Rule 2, you wouldn't wait until December to scramble for the money. Instead, you'd set aside $41.67 each month throughout the year. Suddenly, Christmas shopping becomes a breeze. You have the money you need, and you avoided the holiday stress. The benefits of embracing your true expenses. Peace of mind, knowing you have the money for those irregular expenses removes a huge weight off your shoulders. No more financial surprises or last-minute scrambling. Smoother cash flow. By consistently saving for true expenses, you avoid those peaks and valleys in your spending. Your budget becomes more predictable and manageable. Improved financial resilience. Life throws curveballs. Unexpected expenses happen. But by embracing your true expenses, you'll have a financial buffer to handle them without derailing your goals. Rule 2, not just for YNAB users. While YNAB offers specific tools to implement Rule 2, the core principle applies to any budgeting system. You can use sinking funds, designated savings accounts, or even good old-fashioned envelopes to set aside money for your true expenses. Embrace the power of Rule 2. Rule 2 might seem simple, but it's a powerful tool for taking control of your finances. By planning for the inevitable, you can create a more stable, stress-free financial future. So, identify your true expenses, start saving consistently, and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.